Now moving on to B2, so part A, determine the values of x for which the function f of x is decreasing. It means when the gradient is negative. What we need to do is we need to find the turning points and show key working steps. So we're going to find the turning points of the graph, and I'm going to do a very quick sketch. But so what we have is, when I differentiate this, again, I'll show you how to do all of this on the calculator, so you know how to do this for the future, because even though we've had the compo, these type of questions come up again and again and again. When I find the turning points, I let that equal 0, and I have to now solve for that, and I'm going to use the calculator to help me solve for that. So I'll show you how to do all of this on the calculator again, just like I did for part B1, or the question B1. And I get x is either minus 0.277 to 3 sig figs, or x is equal to 3.61. Both answers are rounded to 3 significant figures, so I say that. Now, when I sketch, you need to realize that it does. Well, I'm going to put it into the calculator so I get it really quite exactly what I want it to be. So I'm just going to minus 5x squared, just type it into the calculator. It looks something like this. Something like that. Okay, where obviously this is at 3.61 and this is at minus 0.277, and it's asking for where it's decreasing. So it's decreasing between there and there. Definitely says decreasing, doesn't it? Yeah. So it is a decreasing function from minus 0.277. Don't include them because it's when you include these points, it's where it's a stationary point. Okay, and that is all 4 points, all 4 marks. Part B. Consider the transformation. By performing this transformation, I'll show that. Okay, now a lot of this I'm going to show you on the calculator. So g of x is equal to so all this is going to be done on the calculator. So I've determined the function of f of x, and I'm just going to type in what my function is and do x minus 5 plus 3. It actually says you may use your calculator however you want. So g of x, and I'll show you how to do this all on the calculator. And I deliberately had this in as a very straightforward question, really, for 3 easy marks, because the calculator does it all. C. By using your calculator, determine the 2 coordinate points where the function has a gradient of 5, showing a key working. So, so we've differentiated already. So it's 3x squared minus 10x minus 10x. What am I talking about? Yeah, minus 10x. That's right. Minus 3. So that's the derivative. We let the gradient equal 5, and we solve for that. Calculator switched off 1 second. Solve. In brackets 5 is equal to 3x squared minus 10x minus 3 comma x, and I get, and it says by using the 2 coordinate points, so we have x is equal to minus 0.667 to 3 sig figs, and x is equal to 4, so that one's been rounded to 3 significant figures. The other one is exact. Now we need to know the y value, so I was going to put into I get f1. I'll show you how to do all this. 13 over 27, which is equal to, oops, 0.481, so that's minus 0.667, comma 0.481, both are 3SF, and we also have 4, comma, I'm just doing exactly the same thing again, but with 4 this time, minus 27, and that was how many marks is that worth? I think that was worth 4 marks, was it? No, 3 marks. Okay, and that's that one done. I'm going to do it on the calculator now for you.